Welcome to the video. We are going to talk about traffic, guys. My three best paid traffic sources. You guys know about it. If you haven't watched the video, I'm going to leave a link to the video in the description of this video. Please go ahead, check it out, and let me know about the video. So, as I said before, we're going to talk about my three best traffic sources, what they can do for you in 2019. Now, I have a firm belief over these three paid traffic sources. My whole system that is called the Pro system, guys, is built on paid traffic. Okay. There is a consistency plan that I follow, which specifically talks about just sending traffic every single week, and that is from these three sources. So you want to check it out. I'm not going to go through the strategy in this video because this video is purely about the traffic, but definitely there's a link in the description, and there are tons of videos on this channel if you want to check out the strategy and know what is the Pro system and how we're doing things and stuff like that. Okay, so you're going to find a link in the description in case you need it. But as of now, I just wanted to talk to you and let you know how these three traffic sources can make an impact in your life. And if you're interested in knowing how or when or what to use, I'm going to leave a link to the Pro system. Okay, it's going to say the Pro system only for serious marketers, blah blah blah. That is the link that you need to get in. Once you get into that, you can go through the whole flow, and you will arrive to a stage where it says get set up now, or join the crypto world. In either case, if you click on those buttons, you will arrive at this page which gives you the three traffic sources. Okay, so because it's included in my funnel, so I'm not going to take that out. In fact, you need to go, and it shows how serious you are, whether you want the traffic or not. You get it from there. Okay, so how are these traffic sources going to help you in 2019? Well, I'm going to give you a little bit of an insight. Okay, there are a couple of ways that they can help you. Firstly is if you take consistent action every single week, every single day, as often as you can. Set aside a budget. Okay, honestly, set aside a budget and keep to that budget until you can afford more. Simple. So for example, $100 per month. Okay, I'm gonna have $100 per month budget on my traffic, which means I can buy at least twice a month from Udemy solo ads. I can buy traffic at least twice a month. Okay, so 2 weeks you buy traffic, and that's it until you can afford 200. Oh, I can buy every week $50 ad back, $50 traffic, and you get traffic. Okay. Oh, now I have 250. Okay, great. You can buy more, or you have and you just go on until you can afford to increase your budget to having at least $1,000 per $1,000, which would be more or less 1,500 clicks to your offer every single week, because then you will be flowing in a good way, guys. I mean, seriously, if you have 1,000 clicks per week coming to your offers, it is sweet. It's a good thing, and within a few months you can start to generate much more sales and business online. So that's one of the reasons why I would suggest to have a traffic budget until you can afford more. Okay, so the traffic budget increases. Ideally, if you want to have 1,000 clicks per week, you would need to have around 600 to 800 US dollars as a traffic budget for them for the week. So monthly would be around 4,000, whatever amount. I'm not sure exactly how much. Depends on the traffic sources. Okay, but if you could buy per week, it would be a phenomenal thing to get to that level. Okay, that's the first traffic source of Udemy solo ads. Okay, then once you have a higher budget and you say, okay, I want to have a drip offer, I want leads to come to my offer that are not ever going to be on somebody else's list and stuff like that, go to our MLM leads and set up an account. You can, I think so, set up a monthly payment as well, where it can just be taken out from your account every single month. So that will give you, say, if you want 1,000 clicks from there, and the rest of the 1,000 clicks you can get from Udemy or something like that. Set it up, know it's your budget, and add it to MLM leads. Traffic for me would be if you have a super amazing offer, one page offer, you need to sell it and you need to get high end commissions. This is the traffic that I would use. High end commissions, guys. This is the traffic that I would use. These 3 paid traffic sources for me have been the best the best of the best, and I would not go about doing it any other way. Okay, that's why I have them in my system. I do have another traffic source that I've been using every single week, and one of the reasons why I've been using that traffic source every single week is because of the fact that I can pay in Bitcoin. Now, if I did not need to pay in Bitcoin, then I would definitely use the other traffic sources that I've shown you in my past videos. So that's about it for me. I just wanted to give you a little bit of an insight on why these 3 best paid traffic sources could make a difference in 2019. I feel for me 2019 is going to be the year where this is taking its toll and going to the next level as fast as possible, and that's a good thing for me. I would like for you to join me in that, and the link is in the description of the video if in case you need it. Okay, if you're watching this on my email list, guys, take action. Start to generate leads, start to generate sales, because that's going to be an impact on your life. I'm here to help. I'm not here to take away anything else from you. These 3 best traffic sources are really genuine traffic sources that I adore and I like being on, and I want to see the same happen with you. That's it for me, guys. I'm going to see you on the next video. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true. And this is David Pindo, or Tips with Dave, signing off.